Hey guys, welcome everyone. This is Shomodi Pudutundo back here with next what is going to happen about weather in India, and it's around approximation there will be heat or there will be more rainfall in upcoming days. Let's discuss. Let's see what is going to be seen in case of the pan India weather contents in case of satellite observation. With the latest satellite image, we can see clearly an anticyclone which is present over Bay of Bengal, another trough line which is present over the landmass of the earth, or that is India, and also a cyclonic circulation which is present over the northern Indian sectors. Why? What is going to happen about for these in case of weather? For this anticyclone, there will be a clear sky condition prevailing in case of Bay of Bengal for 24 hours. This trough line connecting the places will be seeing an outstanding type of weather activities because of rainfall in terms. A scattered light to moderate rainfall activities will be seen in case of eastern zones and the central India approx, while Gujarat and Rajasthan around activities of thunderstorm will be seen more in the night hours. Until 24 hours, this rainfall activity will increase. But for this reason or for this rainfall activity, a marked low temperature will be seen in case of North India. No such heat wave or tremendous heat action will be seen in case of North Indian context. Let's see what is going to happen with North India in a gistic way. North India will be seeing average scattered light to moderate rainfall activities around Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh regions, and at adjoining places of Chandigarh will be also seeing the same type of rainfall activity, while the foothills districts will also see a rainfall for 24 hours, but this rainfall will cease temporarily in eastern India, resulting in more heat increase in eastern India than in northern India. Northern India, because of this scattered rainfall, low temperature will be seen. Let's see what is going to happen in the stations showing Delhi with a maximum temperature of 39 degrees Celsius. A minimum temperature of 26 degrees Celsius is seen in case of our capital with a partly cloudy sky, while other states of North India sectors will be seeing a partly cloudy condition. Srinagar will be seeing a relatively low temperature of 22 to 10 degrees Celsius max mean respectively, while Jaipur and Bhopal will be seeing a very high temperature up to 40-41 ranging maximum, while 22 to 25 degrees Celsius as minimum in both the cases respectively. Let's see what is going to happen in South India. South India will be seeing a calm weather condition, but after 24 hours the rainfall will be increasing tremendously, and in the adjoining next 12 day onwards, I think so, or this forecast will prevail rainfall in the throughout possibility zones such as this Coimbatore, Kerala adjoining areas will be seeing more rainfall in upcoming days, marking an entry of monsoon maybe in the upcoming days will be given by Meteorological Weather Service soon, while the other places such as Telangana and Andhra Pradesh will be seeing a scattered light rainfall activities in upcoming days. Let's see what is going to happen with cities weather updates. Cities such as Hyderabad will be getting a maximum temperature of 37 and 23 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Bhubaneswar will be seeing a same temperature of that of Hyderabad. Kochi and Mumbai and Bengaluru will also see a close by temperature moving around 35 to 36 degrees Celsius as maximum. 20 to 25 degrees Celsius range will be there in the minimum temperature as concerned, while Kochi and as well as Bhubaneswar will be seeing a relatively moderate climatic condition. No such rainfall activity will be marked visible in next 24 hours. Let's see what is going to happen with East India. East Indian zone will be given a rainfall alert or warning. This rainfall will be seen in case of 24 hours, and this rainfall activity will be majorly prevailing over Northeast India and few places scattered places over Eastern India. Though no such tremendous rainfall activity will be seen in upcoming 3 days, while marked high temperature will be seen in the places of adjoining to Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. There will be very high temperature nowadays in next 3 days. Let's see what is going to happen in station as well as weather. In case of Kolkata, Kolkata is getting a maximum temperature up to 36 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius with a partly cloudy sky. Patna is getting a temperature up to 34 and minimum temperature up to 20 degrees Celsius, while Silchar and Agartala is getting a relatively same type of temperature, that is 33 degrees Celsius as maximum, while minimum temperature is ranging between 16 to 20 degrees Celsius approx, while Patna is getting a temperature up to 34 and minimum 20, Ranchi 35, respectively. Let's see what is going to happen with terms of temperature is concerned. Because of the abrupt increase in the rainfall in case of Ahmedabad and adjoining area, very low temperature will be marked visible in the sectors of North India adjoining Rajasthan and Gujarat, while there will be also a low temperature in the Coromandel coast lines and which will be prevailing in upcoming 3 days. Also there will be a low temperature ranging up to a temperature up to 23 degrees Celsius, and low or below temperatures will be seen in case of the northern India. Though a very much heated zone will be created in Varanasi, Patna, Hyderabad, Dhanbad, these areas, which will be ranging up to 41 degrees Celsius in upcoming 3 days. So in eastern zone there will be more heat and rather less heat will be seen in case of northern zone in upcoming days in case of temperature as concerned in pan India. While moving on to the significant weather condition update, which is the rainfall as concerned, overall India will be seeing as dispersed or scattered rainfall activities which will range up to light to moderate in intensities in upcoming days. Specifically 1 to 19 millimeter rainfall will be seen in overall districts, as well as in case of the pan India 3 days rainfall activities as concerned. Let us see what is going to happen with this special weather alert. Special weather alert is similar to that of the last alert. Here also we are giving a hailstorm or thunderstorm activity which is scattered to light in intensity in overall India context, except Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh will be seeing a rainfall activity in upcoming 3 days. So for getting a more detailed outlook, for more weather related information and for cyclone genesis and mapping, let's target us. Let's be connected in terms of weather. Thank you.